Have you ever breathed in a familiar scent, or heard a melody that immediately takes you back to a treasured memory from your past? These instances highlight the potency of olfactory and auditory memory, our capacity to revive past experiences through sound. While often connected with recalling poignant moments in music or the scent of a loved one, memory stimulated by smell and sound extends beyond these instances. It's a portal to our deepest emotions and experiences, paving the way for healing and personal development. Olfactory and auditory memory involve our sense of smell and hearing, unearthing a rich cache of emotions and past recollections. By intentionally interacting with sound and scent triggers, individuals can access this wellspring for therapeutic healing and emotional balance. Here's how it can enhance mental health. Scene script 1. Stress reduction and relaxation. Certain olfactory and auditory experiences induce relaxation, reducing stress in daily 1. Emotional regulation. Recognizing the connection between stimuli of smell and sound and emotional responses can help individuals manage their emotions more effectively. 1. Boosting mood and motivation. Engaging with memories triggered by certain smells and sounds can enhance mood and motivation, providing a natural uplift without the need for chemical stimulants. 1. Healing from trauma and grief. Encountering smells or sounds associated with positive memories can offer solace during challenging times, promoting healing. 1. Amplifying self-expression and creativity. Delving into auditory and olfactory experiences fosters greater self-expression and creativity. Embracing these kinds of sensory experiences serves as a healthier alternative to substances and stimulants that one might use for sensory stimulation. Instead of resorting to substances consumed orally or through other means, engaging with memories triggered by smell and sound provides a natural and non-invasive method to invoke similar sensations and emotions. For instance, instead of seeking solace in alcohol or drugs to numb emotions or induce relaxation, individuals can turn to sensory experiences like listening to calming music or savoring the aroma of essential oils. These sensory-based approaches offer immediate relief while also contributing to long-term mental well-being, free of the risks tied to substance use. By incorporating these smell and sound-based experiences into daily routines, individuals can develop healthier coping mechanisms, reduce reliance on harmful substances, and foster a deeper connection with their emotions and surroundings. Ultimately, embracing olfactory and auditory memory as a tool for mental wellness allows individuals to lead happier, more fulfilling lives without the need for harmful substances or stimulants.